Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the clipboard on Windows. So how you can use it, how you can save things from it, how you can add things, how you can take things from it, and how it really works. So let's get right into it. First of all, we want to enable the clipboard history. So go ahead and open your settings. Then you want to navigate to the system, top left right here, and now scroll down to clipboard on the top left bar. And now we want to turn on our clipboard history. This is how you can save multiple items. So how you can get access to multiple items then. So usually the clipboard just works in a way where you can just save something and then it will be saved on the clipboard for a short time. And if you turn this on, you're able to save up to 25 items. So turn this on right here, just click this. Now, how can you access this clipboard and this clipboard history? So you want to hold the Windows key and then press V. And then you'll have the clipboard right here. And then you'll have these different items depending on how many you have here. And you have this menu next to it as well. If you click on the three dots right here, you can either pin something to a clipboard. This means it will stay on your clipboard even after restarting your PC, as you can see. And after you have more than 25 items. So if you have more than 25 items, this item won't delete, this item will stay, and if you restart your PC, this item will stay as well. Usually everything on the clipboard, because it is only stored for a short amount of time on your RAM, not on the local drive, it will be deleted when restarting. So keep that in mind. So you can either pin it right here, you can delete it if you don't want other people to see it, or you can clear all. So you can delete separate things, then your clipboard will be empty if you delete them, or you can clear your whole clipboard if you want to make space for new things, or if you don't want to use these things anymore. Now let's try to copy a picture to our clipboard. So just look for any picture, and now if you right click on this picture, you'll see copy image. And if we click copy image, it will just be copied into our clipboard. It won't be saved somewhere, it will just be copied into the clipboard. Now let's open up our clipboard, Windows and V, and then we'll have that image right here, and we can paste it somewhere, or we can delete it again out of our clipboard. So if you just press copy, you'll have the image in your clipboard, or you can also save it directly somewhere else if you want to have access to it for longer and not just save it in your clipboard. You'll hit save as, and then you can save it in your local drive wherever you want to save it. So yeah, that's how you can save things onto the clipboard, how you can manage your clipboard, and how you can delete things from it, and how it generally works. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. Other than that, I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did.